And it's just this like weird conundrum that we're in as a society, that we have such an overabundance of food that's available for us, and yet we're more malnourished than ever before. And so what that means is that you're not feeding your body food that is satiating. That's one of my favorite words when it comes to nutrition, satiation. It's just a fun word to say. And so really what that's talking about is that your cells are getting satisfied by the food that you're eating. So when you eat food, you want to eat whole food. So fruits and vegetables as much as possible. You want to have those be organic as much as you financially can do. I love recommending local farmers and farmers markets and things like that. Costco is a great resource. Sam's Club, I'm sure, is also. Aldi's has really, really, really stepped up their game when it comes to organic fruits and vegetables and the types of meats that are in there. So when it comes to the meat that you're eating, you want to eat full grass-fed, grass-finished beef. You want to be eating wild-caught fish, and then pasture-raised chickens and eggs. There's all kinds of different marketing that goes on, and I will do a full nutrition episode for this, but just start with those facts right now when it comes to your meals. I like a simple saying: if you've been eating fast food, if you've been eating out, if you've been eating packaged processed foods, junk foods, things like that, just move towards eating real food. Just eat real food. So we just want to encourage you to do that.